beauties. Today's video is in support of the Jed Foundation, which is an amazing foundation in America raising awareness of mental health issues and suicide in young people. There will be some links below the video if you would like to check out the Jed Foundation or if you would like to donate. Enjoy, beauties.
Oh, how it goes in this stubborn town. No one seems to know how to get around. One said we say what we are and we do what we teach. Let me preach in my world. Oh, how it goes. Say something, anything. Do something. Don't let me stand on this land and be ashamed. Guilty of blame, I too carry shame. The sun is always staying if we care to care. Oh, 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 like the wind is deep within. We all have our sins. Now say something. Anything. Anything, come on, say something, do something, anything. The smallest thing of your silence kills us. Your silence kills
Yeah. Time flies, close your eyes. Imagine you could see everybody else's dream. What a comfort it would be. All along, standing strong, the way it ought to be. But you can never walk alone on your way to being free. We're only human after all.